Hey everybody, and welcome to another episode of Eatin Good in the Woods Campground Reviews. Today we're going to visit lovely Cheney State Park in Cheney, Kansas, located on the Cheney Lake Reservoir. Y'all stick around, I'll show you around. Cheney Reservoir was constructed by the Bureau of Reclamation. Final construction was completed in 1964. Its major uses include fish and wildlife management, recreation, flood control, and a water supply for the city of Wichita. The reservoir is located 17 miles west of Wichita on 21st Street. The north end is 12 miles south of Hutchinson. The reservoir complex consists of 9,537 acres of water at the conservation pool, 5,249 acres of wildlife area, and 1,913 acres of state park. The state park is located on the south end of the lake on both east and west shores. Since its completion in 1964, the 1,913-acre park has grown to include 223 electrical hookup sites with water, 22 boat launching lanes, 7 modern pit toilets, 9 restrooms with showers, 1 shelter house with restrooms, and 4 trailer dump stations. Camping is permitted only in designated areas. There are 7 modern cabins located on the west shore area of the park. Rental information is available by calling the park office. The group camping area can be rented and includes 20 utility sites, a modern restroom, and a large 30 by 60 shelter. The park has 4 designated swimming areas as well as several picnic day use areas. For the camper, there is a mix of primitive and utility camping. These areas range from water's edge to grassy, tree-covered areas including a quiet spring-fed creek. Located in windy central Kansas just outside of Wichita, the lake offers excellent sailing. In fact, national sailing regattas take place at Cheney. It's a breathtaking sight to see more than 100 multicolored sailboats on the lake at one time. On the east shore, a full-service marina carries supplies for the boater and the fishermen with rental docks. This is an absolutely stunning park, and I don't think you can go wrong by staying here with all that this park has to offer. You can even treat it as a jump-off spot for the city of Wichita that offers lots of things to do and see, including its rich history in the aeronautics industry. Outside of restaurants and nifty little shops, Wichita offers a lot of things to do and see, like the Wichita Art Museum, or the Wichita Gardens, or the Museum of World Treasure, which I've been to and it's fantastic. Go by the river and see the Keeper, or the Mid-American All-Indian Center, or the Frank Lloyd Wright Allen House, or the Great Plains Transportation Museum. But most importantly, go see Old Cowtown Museum. Cowtown Museum is literally like walking onto the set of Back to the Future 3. It is a collection of buildings that were located all throughout Kansas and reassembled in Old Cowtown to resemble an Old West town. The nifty thing is, there's a saloon, there's a hotel, there's a livery, but every building there is what it was from its previous location. What a neat place. It's like stepping into the Old West. That is a must-see. On your way to Wichita, just outside of the park is a little town called Colwich, Kansas, that has this most wonderful restaurant called Sills. Sills takes comfort food to the next level, and if I'm being honest, it's the best fried chicken I've had since my granny died. Go see Sills. You won't regret it. Well, that's going to be about it for this episode of Eatin Good in the Woods Campground Reviews. If you find yourself in the area and need a place to camp, I don't think you can go wrong with old Cheney Lake State Park. Go see all that Wichita has to offer And if you see the keeper, tell him me and Mrs. Eatin Good in the Woods said hello. Well, until next time, y'all, go out there and be nice to each other. I love you. God bless. See you next time.